Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by creating a clean, controlled area and prepping the device. Power off or set Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions. Remove any case so edges are accessible. Use bright light and a flat table to see dust and fingerprints. Place everything within reach. Wet wipe, dry cloth, dust stickers, alignment frame or guide, and the protector. Once positioned, use the wet wipe to lift oils, then the dry microfiber to remove residue. This prevents trapped particles that cause bubbles and lifting later. You now align and start the application. If you have an alignment frame, fit it over the phone. Otherwise, make a hinge with 2 small tape pieces at one edge. Peel a small section of the protector backing and align the top edge with camera and speaker openings. This ensures cutouts match. Once aligned, lower the protector slowly. Press the center to adhere, then use a plastic card wrapped in microfiber to push air and moisture outward toward the edges to create a smooth bond. You finish by finalizing adhesion and checking fit. Peel off the top release film and press down all edges firmly. Reinstall the case to confirm no lifting. If you spot a speck, use a dust sticker to lift that particle, then reseat the protector by peeling back just enough to remove it and pressing down again. For stubborn bubbles near the center, lift the nearest corner slightly and squeegee outwards. If adhesive edge lifts, press firmly or replace protector to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.